what I want to talk about, the next one, is create a contest. All right. Create a contest. Let's go back here. All right. We're going to go right back to this one real quick. The second one here is create a contest. All right. Bear with me with the slides here. They're a little bit off, but here's an example of creating a contest. All right. So for an example, you can, if you're a songwriter, an artist, and you write songs, you can do a contest where maybe you play your song in full, and then you ask maybe your fans or people to come up with a title to it, and you can pick the best title out of everybody, the things that people have sent you. All right. So that's an example of creating a contest. Another thing is you can be writing a book, and you might show the book cover of your book and ask people to email you, or if you're doing something live, like you're doing a Facebook Live, Instagram Live, you're going on YouTube Live, Periscope Live, and you might want to ask your followers or your subscribers to show them the picture of your book cover and say, hey, why don't you give me some ideas of what I can name my book based off the book cover. Also, you can also have people send you in an email, or you can do your live and say, hey, look, here's the picture of the title. Here's a picture of my book cover. You guys email me with your best title, the best title you think you should call this book. And you get these emails. And incidentally, you will be building up an email list. All right. And you hear a lot of people talking about that. I guess it still has some benefits to it. So you can build your email list up that way. All right. And lastly, for an example, you can put up a scrambled word. You can take a word and scramble the letters around, and then you can have people email you with the words spelled correctly, and then you can give them a prize or give them a interview, sit down with you, or if they have something they want to promote, maybe you can do a live video with them and promote whatever product or something they got going on, but you're going to be at the same time promoting your own personal brand. So it's kind of like a win-win. You're promoting yourself. At the same time, you can offer to promote somebody else if they unscramble these words, if they unscramble the word or a combination of words. All right. So that's an example of creating a contest and using that to build your personal brand. All right.